Oh my god. No.
Kina is my favourite.
No. Kia ora, ko te rahi a hau.
Ko te iri mana taku ingoa.
Ko Kingston ai.
Kia ora, I'm India.
Ko Mahi Tahi Media, and today we are eating kina.
Ko Aniwa toku ingoa, and today we're eating kina.
You don't even like it.
How tēnā?
Oh, nah, bro. Hoki ki te kāinga, bro.
Not keen.
What the? What do you mean?
What do you mean?
He kina! Bro!
We are not going to cook the kina today because we're not doing that. We're just going to show you a couple of different ways of how you can open it.
Can we eat it raw?
Yeah, I'll try kina. You know, I'll be taking the leftovers as well.
He paki waitara tāku, he pūrākau tāku.
I don't like it.
Kua kaio I te kina once in my whole entire life. I know. 10 brownie points taken off me as a Māori.
I'm just going to grab 2 spoons. Some may hold their spoons like this, so you don't play the spoons, but we're going to use these puppies to open up the kina. Put them right in the centre there. Please don't splatter out everywhere.
I've never liked kina. Maybe today's the day I finally like kina.
Yeah, maybe.
I don't eat seafood.
I can eat seafood.
Nah.
Like shrimps, shrimps, and shrimps.
Right.
Here ka te kaimoana kia hau. Ngā mea katoa I roto I te moana. They're like creamy. I have a salty nei mea. Ngari he pā kia hau te toki.
Nah, okay.
Hey, nui te uti mo tēnei.
That's the first time I've seen this colour. It normally is a nice orangey, goldy, yellow colour.
I want the
No.
orange one, please.
Nah.
This look.
Oh, no.
Alright, I want to give it a go. One day.
In the old days, some covered it with water, put it in the shade, and some put it in the running water like you do rotten corn, and it's a fermentation.
Smile.
I love sitting next to the tamaraki because they don't like it.
Well, not all. Like dissolves.
These might come out later.
That's like the first time I've actually swallowed a kina though. Usually I just spit it straight out, eh? Like,
No. No.
I'm sorry. Te taia.
Oh, do we have it at the iwi? There's a few little golden treasures here from our kina from Tangaroa.
I already know probably half of you watching are like, but I just can't. I just actually can't. And I'll take that on the chin, because I'm a big girl.